Hi friend, Marian here, a potentials.com. Signing at our channel. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, my friend. So, yung lesson natin for today is what your mother couldn't tell, your father didn't know. Why women become more difficult to please. So, sabi niya. So, yung story natin is about Judy and James. So, sabi ni Judy, used to readily appreciate the places I would take him, sabi ni Jane. But now it seems no matter where I want to go, she wants to go somewhere else. I don't even want to bother. So yung story niya is parang sabi nga, why women become more difficult to please. So, kasi si Judy, she would like to go to different restaurants. So, at the start, or yung courting time, Jim brought her to different restaurants. So, kaya nag-enjoy itong si Judy. But eventually, parang si Jim wants yung mga na-taste na nilang restaurants where they had a good time together. So gusto niya parang since they know the food, they know the ambience, they know the place, parang doon na lang siya bumabalik. But si Judy naman wants to try some new things or sabi nga variety. Kumbaga si Jim parang he was just want to be sure for the places that they go. So dun, if we do not know these two differences, dun na nagkakaroon ng quarrels or conflicts yung two persons. But knowing these differences and explaining it, so we lessen yung ating conflicts with one another. We're just being able to understand yung differences natin of variety and routines that each of us would like to please the other person. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.